Welcome back, guys. So I know it's been a minute since I've actually posted, and to be honest, I've just really been busy with work and a lot of different type of stuff. But to be honest with you, I kind of want to go get a little bit rowdy in this thing. I know two valve and the word rowdy doesn't really mix, but we're gonna make the best of it. I think the last video I posted was actually me racing the Terminator, which I know it's been a couple of weeks, but like I said, I've been busy. And just in case you haven't watched that video, go click. It's up there on the top corner, and it's actually a pretty good video. It's not really us racing, it's more he was giving me the hit, and it's just fun runs. I mean, obviously everybody knows I'm gonna get absolutely smoked by that thing. But to be honest, I am gonna go and hop in the car. I think I'm gonna go try to get some kind of video stuff for Instagram, and then I'm figured I'd bring you guys along. I might try to launch the car on the street. I know it's probably not gonna be the easiest to do with this thing, mainly because one, I gotta find somewhere to do it, so that means I gotta go all the way to like Mexico or something. And two, I just don't know how it's gonna work because I do need kind of new tires in the rear, but not that it's not gonna hook, it's just, okay, I mean, honestly I'm lying. I mean, it's probably gonna just sit there and spin the whole time because this thing really doesn't hook that good. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the car, and I'm gonna throw the GoPro on my head, and I'm probably gonna go get some clips, and I guess I'll see you guys there. I'm not gonna lie, I do have some things I probably need to discuss about this car and just kind of the way I've been feeling lately. But honestly, that might be another video, I'm not entirely sure. Let's go ahead and hop in this thing though. Hopefully I don't run out of gas. I mean, you know, I gotta go all the way to Mexico, so. Pretty sure that Pawnings in the Smokies is coming up. I think it's in like another week or two. I'm not exactly sure on the date, but let me know if you're going there. I was gonna try to make it out there, but honestly, I don't think I'm gonna be able to this year, and maybe next year I will, but I know for sure I'll probably be at Mustang Week. I just don't know about this car or not. I don't know. It really depends if I get something new, or if not, I'll just like maybe do some stuff to this car that it can still be a little bit different than it was last year, and then I can take this there. Actually, I take that back. I think I have done it, but it's been on the old clutch, so I really don't know how this one's going to react. I mean, obviously this one's a lot better, but it's a different grabbing point than the old one, so I guess we'll see how it goes. we'll see how this goes. I called it. I mean, I was going to just sit there and spin, but I also kind of read the clutch a little bit. That's kind of why I spun so much. But also I let off a little bit, and then I actually got into it. But the way this GoPro is in my mouth, I can't really see the RPM, so I was kind of just guessing. Don't criticize me or anything. I don't launch this thing, and this is never going to be a race car. So I am going to go up here to this parking lot though, because I'm going to try to get a cool video for Instagram. So go ahead and go check that out. I'm not gonna lie though, this thing, it is looking pretty good. I still wish I would throw some coilovers on it, but honestly, I mean, I just haven't really been interested in this thing that much lately. I've had that Coyote itch, and I kind of really want to get a Coyote, but honestly, I'd be considering selling this thing. I know that would kind of bum out a lot of people. It's not for sale yet, so please, please do not hit me up asking. I get so many people asking to try to buy this thing all the time, but it's not for sale just yet. Maybe in a few months it might be. Not entirely sure. But I am kind of looking at maybe trying to get like a S197. So it would be like a 13 or 14 5.0. And obviously I think that would be kind of beneficial to the channel, because I think S197s, they're some of the better looking body styles of Mustangs, along with new edges. And what I can kind of tell myself is, like, if I really did ever want another new edge, I'll go get like a Mach 1 or a Terminator. So it would obviously be a better version than the 2-valve. But who knows? I don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet. Kind of just been on my mind lately. Man, this has been a really fun car, but I think I'm just kind of starting to grow out of it. And I know I said I've had plans to boost it and maybe do all that type of stuff, maybe potentially like Coyote swap, but here lately, I mean, I just don't really see any point. I feel like I'd rather have a better platform that's just all around reliable and just better in every aspect. But this is definitely a really fun car, and obviously it cleans up good, looks good, even though it's nasty right now, kind of. You got bugs all over it, and I've driven in the rain a couple times, but can't really be the look of a new edge, I will say that. I am gonna go and maybe try to set this camera, maybe film a little Instagram video, so I guess I'm gonna go and do that. I just got done filming the video, and to be honest, I am really starting to sweat. It's actually pretty hot out here, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this camera off the tripod, and then I'll get back in the car and maybe get some more POV clips. Probably gonna go ahead and go put some gas in this thing, and then I guess I'll see you guys back at the house. But I guess before then, I will give you a little bit of the exhaust. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff. Helps me out a ton. I don't know if I have a ton more content with this car. Kind of in that weird little stage with it right now. I mean, I still do want to do some stuff to it, but I also don't really want to waste tons of money into it. But I guess other than that, I guess I'll catch you guys in another. Hang on, someone's getting it. Other than that, I guess I'll catch you guys in another one.